Hello my dear PU students, I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, I am Ankit Sir back again on our YouTube channel Diksha Karnataka with another revision session for matrices, right? We are doing what? We are doing our revision for PU midterms, okay? We have completed relations and functions and inverse trigonometric functions revision in the previous video. Today's session will be about matrices. So again, we will take some questions, approximately 15 questions, 16 questions we will take, and we will complete the revision of all the concepts of all the variety of questions using this. Okay, very simple topic, not that complicated. All of you, if not all of you, then most of you will be very comfortable with this chapter anyway. So we will keep this video short. Okay, we'll try to complete this as soon as possible. Nothing much is there. Okay, simple calculations are there, sir. Questions also which comes in the exam, they're very simple. Okay, so but yeah, important, because again this will be used in determinant, so that way it becomes very important, and questions are coming from this portions as well. So again, relevance is there, but simple, good for us. Okay, so let's start first, which is what? Question number 1. What I've done, I've taken questions. We'll revise your concept from here only. We'll revise. If I need to give you more details about the concept, I'll give you during the solution of the question. So first one is, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? Chaliye. So let's talk about orders now. What is the order? Order of a matrix comprises of what, bacha? Number of rows times number of column, if you remember. Yes, so if I'm writing a matrix, let's say like this, 1 2 3 1 2 3, total how many elements? 6 elements. Okay, so what is the order? First we'll write number of rows. How many number of rows are there? So 2, sir. And how many number of columns are there? 3, sir. 1 2 and 3. So this is what it means to be order. Okay, 2 cross 3, is it 6? No. If you multiply 2 into 3, this will become what, bacha? 6. This will be representing number of elements, sir. Number of elements. You don't multiply the order, you keep as it is. 2 cross 3, where 2 represents the row and number of rows, and 3 represents number of columns. Yes, okay. Look at it. So in this question, they're saying that there are total of 18 elements. Okay, a matrix has number of 18 elements. Find the possible order, means what type of order is possible. Let's see. Let us see. So I can have, first is one row to be what? Let's write like this, one row and column. So I can have as one row 18 columns, or vice versa, 18 row 1 column. Correct, right? This is one possibility, no? In one row, I have what? 18 elements written like this, so 18 columns. Or I can have in one column all the 18 elements written vertically, so 18 rows, right? So that is possible. Next, what I can do? 2 and 9 we can keep. 2 rows, 9 columns. Yes, I can keep 2 rows like this, and I can keep 9 columns, 9 vertical lines of the 9 vertical arrays of the data. Okay, so 2 9 and vice versa is also true. So 9 and 2. What else? I can keep 3 6 also, bacha. So 3 6, and same way 6 3 is also possible. Other possibilities are there. Check. 7 will not be possible. 8 is not possible. 9 again I have already taken. So only these possibilities are there. Okay. So how many possibilities are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have 6 possible orders that can be present there. I have, what is the answer? 6 possible orders are there. So for a matrix which has 18 elements, it can be represented with what? How many matrices of different orders? 6 matrices of the order 1 18 18 1 2 9 9 2 3 6 and 6 3. 3 6 and 6 3. So what is the number of such orders? 6. Okay, what is it? So I can write it as, if you want me to write this, 1 cross 18 or 18 cross 1, 2 cross 9 or 9 cross 2, 3 cross 6 or 6 cross 3. Second part, if it has 5 elements, then what will happen? 5 elements means very simple, only 2 possibilities are there, sir. 1 cross 5 or 5 cross 1. Are you thinking this? Are you thinking 3 cross 2 also? We don't add it, bacha. We multiply. 3 cross 2 will give me 6 elements, not 5 elements. Okay, 3 cross 2 not possible. If you are thinking that way, please do not have this misconcept. Okay, we don't add the sets, we don't add the number of rows and column, we multiply to get the number of elements. So if it has 5 elements, means 1 row 5 column, 5 row 1 column. Simple. Okay, let's move on. Find the values of x, y, z. One more thing we know, if the order is same, if the order of the matrix is same, then I can compare the matrix, right? It is conformable for comparison. So please check here, if I'm comparing for this part, First one, if I'm comparing, what I'm going to get, bacha? Y will be simply compared with 4. So y equal to 4, z equal to 3, okay, and x equals to 1. Okay, so you can compare the matrix, you can add the matrix only if the order is same. Okay, do not forget this. If the order is different, it is not conformable for addition or comparison. Okay, order has to be same. So if you want, you can write a point here. Order of matrices should be same, bacha. Should be same for what? For comparison or addition. For what, bacha? I'll write it here only. So for what? First point, for addition or comparisons. You cannot do these things otherwise. If the order is not same, if they have given in the question, then you'll write undefined. You'll write it as undefined. Okay, surely. So this you can expect in what? In your MCQs also. Then simply give you this, ask you to find x, y, z value. 1 mark can be asked like this, because very simple, no? Just by looking at it, you can get the answer. So you can expect this in one mark category. If there are 2 given like this, if the question is framed like this, they can expect for 1 mark for each category. Let's figure out the second question. X plus y equals to 6 is there, means I have to form the equations here. I said I have to compare this and this. You know the name of the elements, right? Name of the elements are what? First one is called as A, row 1, column 1. Second one is row 1, column 2, row 2, column 1, and row 2, column 2. Okay, so you'll compare A11 with A11. So x plus y with 6 means what is the answer? Please check. X plus y is what, bacha? 6, sir. Okay. Okay. Now I have another equation. Please check here. A3, A21. So I have 5 plus z as 5. It means what, bacha? Z means is 0. So I have z value as 0. Another value, xy is given as 8. Please check here. X times y is 8. I'm comparing A to 2. Okay. So if I get, what is my x value from here? Please check. X value will be what, bacha? 6 minus x. Sorry, 6 minus not x. Forgive me, 6 minus y, right? 6 minus y. 6 minus y from here. I'm taking x as it is. Y I'm taking that side. So 6 minus y. And from here, what I can put? X will be as it is. Okay, no, x will be 6 minus y. Forgive me. And y will be as it is. What I'm going to get? 6y minus y square equals to 8. 6y minus y square equals to 8. Okay. Now from here, what I'm going to do, I'll get a quadratic. So bring everything on the other side. I'll get y square minus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. Can we factorize it? Yes. Minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2. So I'll get it as y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 equals to 0. Okay. Let me factorize and get the final answer. So I'll take here y common. Y will be what, bacha? Take here y minus 4 I'll get. Y minus 4, please check. I took y common here. So y minus 4. I'm taking minus 2 common here. So y minus 4 again. What is my answer? Equals to 0. My answer is y minus 4 or y minus 2 equals to 0. Either I get y equal to 2 or 4. Okay. If I get y equal to 2, my x will be what? 4. If I take y as 4, x will be 2. Okay. So it is interchangeable. So basically my answer is, do I have enough space here? Yeah, I have. So my answer is what? X equals to 2 or 4, y equals to 4 or 2, and z equal to what? Tell me. 0. So either you can pick this set or you can pick this set. Okay. Both are correct. Why is like that, bacha? Because if you take y as 2, no, x plus y is 6. Correct. So if y is 2 means x will be 4. If you take y as 4, x will be 2. Please understand this. So both answers are possible. 2, 4, 4, 2, 0. Okay. Surely. Okay. X, Y, Z we got. Find the values of A, B, C from and D. We have 4 variables here. A, B, C and D from the equation given in this format. Again comparable, because what is the matrix here? Don't think it is 4 cross 2 or 2 cross 4. It is 2 cross 2 only. Why, sir? A minus B is the same element. Okay. And this is also 2 cross 2. चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं. We'll get equations again. A minus B is equal to what, बच्चा? minus 1. A minus B equal to minus 1. I'm comparing the first element here. A minus B is minus 1. Compare this one. 2A minus B is 0. So 2A minus B equals to 0 means 2A equals to B. Am I right? Yes. This is my equation 1, okay, and this is my equation 2. I can use this over here, am I right? So what I'm going to get, instead of b, I'll keep this, so a minus of 2a, right? Because instead of b, I'm keeping it as 2a, okay, equals to what? Minus 1. So I get minus a equals to minus 1. Okay, what is my a equals to? Intense. A equal to internal, it's equal to 1. 1 means, what is a mean? A is 1 means b is 2. Please check from this equation. Put a as 1, you'll get b as 2 into a. So will be 2, So we got the values of a and b so far. It's looking something weird. So let me write it as 2 by. This is simply 2. Okay, moving on. AB we got. Now we can get a and c. Use this equation 2a plus c. 2a plus c equals to 5. I'm using this element and this element. Yes. So what is my 2a? 2 times of 1 plus c equal to 5. What it means? 2 into 1 is simply 2. I can bring it here. C is equal to what, bacha? 3. 2 will go that side. 5 minus 2 is 3. So c is 3. Okay, now use the last equation, this from here, 3c plus d, okay, 3c plus d equals to what? 13. 3 means 3 times of c is what? 3 plus d. So we can get from here only d equals to what? Please check. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 goes there. 13 minus 9 will be 4. So my d value is 4. So what are my answers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we did? We compared because the order was same and got 4 different equations. Solve the 4 equations to get my values of a, b, c, d. Now matrix multiplication. Okay. So I have taken a simple problem here. I'll tell you why. Because I want you to learn the concept first. Okay. Problems are there. Solved examples also in your textbook. Very important too if you are not able to relate or sometimes you're getting confused. Okay. In the matrix multiplication. That's why for that reason I'm taking a simple question. We'll do it. But before, as there was a prerequisite for comparison and addition, what was the prerequisite? The order must be same. Same way there is a prerequisite in the case of multiplication also. And what is that, bacha? Okay, what is that? Please have a look here. I can write over here only. Number of, okay, rows of first matrix should be equal to number of columns should be here. Number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. See how? Let's see how. Okay. Number of column for first matrix equals to number of rows of second matrix. How will this work out? So please check what is the order here. 2 cross 2. And this is what? 2 cross 3. Now please pay attention. Please pay attention to this part. Again, learning the concept. Check here. Number of column is how much, bacha? 2. And what is the number? This is the first matrix. Number of column is, first matrix is 2. And number of rows in the first matrix is what? Second matrix is what? 2. Are they same or not? Yes, they are. Okay. If it was 3 cross 2, if instead of 2 cross 3, I had 3 cross 2, then multiplication would have been impossible. Impossible. You cannot multiply it. Multiplication is only possible if this condition is true. If this condition is true, very, very important. Okay. Sometimes they give you a big multiplication, but you know, this will be different. Answer will be undefined. So make sure that you know this. Okay. Number of column here should be equal to number of rows in the second or where you are multiplying to the matrix. Okay. All right. Let me do the multiplication now. Let's do it. Over here only we'll do. Okay. So I'm multiplying AB, right? I have to find AB, right? So I'll write in that order only. First I'll write A. 6, 9, 2, 3. Sir, why are you writing? Because it is good to write, bacha. It's good to write, okay? We can compare in that side. So you also make this habit of writing when you are multiplying the matrix. Okay, now you'll see. Chaliye. What is the rule of multiplication? You take the row from the first matrix and multiply to column of the first matrix with respective elements. With respective means I'll multiply 6 with 2 and 9 with 7 and add it. Understand it, please. First row, first column. Okay, this will give me what? This will give me only one element. This will give me only one element. So, and again, what is the multiplication? Respective elements. So, first element will go with 2, multiplied with 2, and second element 9 will be multiplied with 7. And the sum of this will give me the first element of the resulting matrix AB. Isn't AB going to be also matrix only? Yes. If you multiply two matrices, when you added two matrices, what was the result? Matrix only. If you multiply two matrices, what is the result? Matrix only. Okay. 6 with 2, 12, sir. 9 with 7, 63, sir. My first element, only first element. Again, first row, first column is done. We'll move to first row, second column. First row, second column. I'll be a little patient, do it slowly so that you understand. Okay, 6 with 6, how much that will be? 36, sir. And 9 with 9 will be what? 81, sir. 81. Okay, same now I'll do with third column. 6 with 0, sir. 0. And 9 with 8, sir. 72. See here? So I multiplied my first row here with all the three columns to get individual three elements by adding or by multiplying the corresponding elements with sum of it, with the sum of it. Okay, let me erase this. Now I'm going to consider what? I'm going to consider now second row with the all three columns. Okay, so 2 with 2 will be what? Check here. This 2 with 2, so 4. This 3 with 7, 21. Please see, 2 with 2, 4, 3 with 7. Again, second row with the first column. First element is, my other element is not defined. 2 with 6, so 12. 3 with 9, 27. Okay, what next? 2 with 0, so 0. 3 with 8, so 24. How can I write the matrix AB now? Please add and let me know. Okay, if I'm making a mistake, comment your answers. Okay, this is what was mistake in question number 4. 63 plus 10 is 73 plus 2, 75. Okay, I might make a calculation mistake. I'll try not to, but if I do, comment below and give me the correct answer. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 and 11. So 117, I think. Please check. 6 plus 1, 7. 8, 3, 11. Correct. This is simply 72. Okay, what about this? 4 plus 1, so 5, so 25. Okay, 9 and 3, so 39. Please check. Okay, this is simply 24. All right. Okay, this is my answer. What is the order here? Order is 2 cross through. Please check. One more thing I said about prerequisite, it should be in this form. Number of column here should be equal to number of rows here. Okay, and the resulting matrix after multiplication will have the order as first one of this with this, means the number of rows from here to the number of columns to there. Check here, 2, 3, number of rows from the first one, which is 2, number of columns from the second one, which is 3. This is how it works. The resulting matrix will have the last from here to here, two extremes will be there, and for multiplication the inside part, the inner part should be same. Okay, 2 and 2 should be there. This number of columns should be equal to number of rows. I hope this is simple and you understood this. Okay, moving on. Okay, I can move on. We'll have multiplications in coming questions, but I took one question to make you familiar with the concept, revise the concept part. Okay, 3 things. Order, mention the order, should be like this. Second thing, do the multiplication row to column always, no other way, always row to column. Next thing, resulting matrix will have the orders equal to the row from here and the column from the second matrix. Okay, fifth problem. A is given to this, B is given here, C is given here. Again 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. Calculate AC, BC. C multiplication is there, no? AC, BC and A plus B times C. Okay, alright. So let's quickly find A plus B first and then verify this condition. They've asked this problem, okay? May 2014. A plus B multiplied with C, AC plus BC. Okay, A plus B multiplied with C, AC plus BC. So we'll do AC plus AC, BC multiplication, no problem. Let's find first A plus B. We'll do A plus B first. So I'm going to verify. I'm going to get the value of LHS first. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to find A plus B first. I don't have to write the matrix here for A plus B. I can simply write this. 2 cross 2 is there. So 1 with 2, how much is that? 3. 2 with 0, so 2. 2 with 1, so 3. and 1 with 3, so 4. This is my a plus b. Okay, they're saying multiply a plus b with c. Now I'll do this multiplication. I'm taking the LHS part. Please check here, please check. A plus b multiplied with c, sir. What is a plus b, bacha? 3 2 3 4. 3 2 3 4. How, sir? We just got, okay, by adding the matrices like this. 3 2 3 and 4. What is c? C is this 1 1 2 3. Okay, let's do the multiplication. How we'll do? From row to, what do you call? From row to column. Do I have to check the order here? No, it's always, you know, square matrix. So 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. Okay, same thing is there. So we can get this. This will come as, please check, 3 with 1 will be 3, 2 with 2 will be 4. 3 with 1 is 3, 2 with this 2 is 4. Now 3 with 1 again 3, and this 2 with 3 is 2 with this 3 is 6. I did the first row with the first column, got this. First row with the second column, got this. Okay, let's move on. Second row, 3 with 1, 3, 4 with 2. Second row, first column, 4 with 2 is 8. Second row, second column, 3 with 1, 3, and 4 with 3. How much is it? 12. How much is my answer? Please simplify and get this. 7, 9, 11 and 15. So this is my LHS, right? Check here, a plus b times c, a plus b times c. What is my RHS now? I have to multiply AC and BC. I have to multiply AC and BC. So let's look at AC first. Let's look at AC first. So let me write AC. What is my A? Matrix A looks like what? 1 2 2 1. Symmetric matrix. 1 2 2 1. Good. What about C? I think it was 1 1 something. 1 1 2 3. C is 1 1 2 3. Now please check again. They are asking to do what? AC only. AC only. Okay. Excuse me. Let's do the multiplication over here, bacha. Let's do the multiplication. I'll do again row to column. Always row to column. So 1 to 1 will be 1, and 2 to 2 will be 4. Again 1 to 1 will be 1, and 2 to 3 will be 6. Right? Right? 1 to 1 is 1, 2 to 2 is 4, 1 to 1 is 1, and 2 to this 3 is 6. Okay. Now 2 to 1 is 2, and 1 to 2 is 2. Please see, 2 to 1 is 2, 1 to 2 is 2. What about this? 2 to 1 is again 2, and 1 to 3 is 3. What is the answer? 5, 7, 4, 5. 5, 7, 4, 5. My AC is there. I have to find what? BC also. Not AB. BC I have to find, right? Okay. For BC I'll do what? I'll have to write B. What is my B value? 2013. 2013. And what is C? C you can write from here only. 1123. Please do the multiplication. First row, first column. So it will be 2 plus 0. Then this one will be 1. Sorry, again 2 plus 0. Correct? 2 into 1 is 2, and 0 into 2 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2, and 0 with something will be 0 only. Check here, 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 will be 1. 3 to 2 is 5. Great, sir. 3 to 2 is 5, no? 6, sir. 1 to 1 is 1. 3 to 2 is 6. 1 to 1 is 1. 3 to 3 is 9. Simplify and get this answer. 2, 2, 7, 10. Okay. Now add this AC plus BC. How much is this? 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 7, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. 10 plus 5, 15. Please check here. 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 7, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. And 10 plus 5, 15. So my answer is 7, 9, 11, 15. 7, 9, 11, 15. So what have I proved? I have proved this is equal to what? LHS, right? This was RHS, no? This was my RHS. So RHS equal to LHS means I have proved the condition. Okay, calculate this and verify that. Verification is done, sir. Verification is done. Please have a look. I hope this is visible. Yes, this also is visible. Okay, no mistakes here. Let's move on to problem number 6. Okay, application of trigonometry will also come here in this. Simple multiplication. What type of multiplication is this? Is this matrix multiplication, sir? No, scalar. It's a scalar multiplication. a constant is there, we have to multiply with all the numbers. So let's check. Cos with cos, cos square theta, sir. Cos with sine, cos theta, sine theta, sir. Cos with minus sine theta, so minus cos theta, sine theta. And cos with cos, again cos square theta. First one is done. Look at the second one. Multiply here. Sine into sine, sine square theta, sine into minus cos, so minus sine theta and cos theta. Sine with cos, so sine theta, cos theta. Sine with sine, plus sine square theta, cos square theta. Add this, cos square plus sine square will be what? Simply cos square theta plus sine square theta. Okay, this will be what? Cancelling out, so 0. Over here also cancelling out, so 0. This also will be, what is this? Some mistake. Okay. Sine into sine is just simply sine square theta, not cos square theta. I get what? Same thing. Cos square theta plus sine square theta. Cos square theta plus sine square theta. This is going to be what? 1. From the identity, sine square plus cos square is 1. What is my answer? 1, 0, 0, 1. Simply what? Identity matrix of what order? Of order 2. Of order 2. Answer is I2. This is what equal to? I2. Identity matrix of order 2. What is identity matrix? Only diagonal element are there having value which is going to be 1. Other all is 0. Okay? Other all is 0. What type of matrix again? Square matrix. Again, square matrix. Square matrix is what? Where the number of rows and number of columns are same. What is the number of row and number of column here? Please here 2 cross 2. I can write it as I2. I2. Moving on. Question number 7. Okay, function fx is given like this, means this matrix is given in the form of function. Okay, this function is like this, function is given in the form of matrix. They are saying that prove it, fx multiplied with fy gives me fx plus fy. So let's first find fx value. Fx is given already, so let's find fy value. So if I have to find fy value, 3 cross 3 is there, it will become cos y, it will become minus sin y, it will become 0, 0, 1 only, because in the constant you cannot change variable, right? So again what will become? Sin y, this will be what? Cos y, this will be what? 0 and 0 only. My matrix is done. Okay, I have to do what? Multiplication of this matrix with, see, 3 cross 3 multiplication comes now. Okay, so I have to do what? Fx times fy. I'll do it here. Fx times fy. Please check here. Fx times fy. Okay. So before going to do that, let me write the RHS value directly first. So I replaced this in this function by y. I got this. Let me write this also. This is what my, this is my RHS. This is my RHS. Okay. So if you looking at this RHS, what happens? Please check. I'll replace this variable by x plus y. Okay. So I will get this as, check what I'm going to get. So cos of x plus y minus sine of x plus y. Okay, and this is 0, 0, 1. Okay, what about this? Sine of x plus y. Okay, cos of x plus y. Okay, 0, 0. So this is my f of x plus y. Now let's look at this slide. Okay, so f of x times f of y, we are finding it out. So what is my f of x? If you remember what is my f of x, check here. Cos x minus sin x, cos x. Cos sine minus sine cos. So cos x minus sine x and sin x and cos x. Please check if it is right or not. Cos minus sine, sine cos. Cos minus sine, sine cos. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, same thing I'll do with what? Fy. So cos y minus sine y, 0, 0, 1, and this is what? Sin x, not sin x, sin y, sorry. Sin y, this is cos y, 0, 0. Okay, this is a matrix multiplication, 3 cross 3. Again, we will multiply same way, first row with this first column, first row with the first column. What I'm going to get? Please check here. What I'm going to get? So it will be coming as matrix only. So please check. Cos x with cos y. So cos x, cos y. Okay, first thing. Next what? Minus sin x with minus sin y. Not plus sin y. So sin x, sin y. Yes or no? minus sin x with sin y. This is done. Third element, 0 with what? 0 with 0. So 0 only. Okay, this is my first element. So plus 0. I don't have to write that. I have to write anything? No, sir. Plus 0. Please check here. Cos x with cos y is this. My sin x with sin y is this. And this 0 with 0. So 0. I don't have to write that. Okay. So my first row with first column is done. I have got only one element from here. I have to do for first row, second column to get second element. Let's check here. My cos x with sin y. So minus sin y cos x. Okay. Now minus sin x with cos y. So minus sin x cos y. Yes or no? Yes. And then what? 0 with this 0. So again I want to write that. Please check. This 0 with this 0 will be 0 only. I am not writing that part. Now for the first row with third element. Please understand this. First row with third column. So cos x with 0. 0. Sin x with 0. So plus 0. And this 0 with 1. So again 0. So last element is what? 0 only. Simple. First row I have done. Same way I'll do with, same I'll do for second column. Same I'll do for second row with all the columns. So sin x with cos y. Please check. This sin x with cos y. Now this cos x with this sin y. Cos x sin y. Okay. Now this 0 with this 0. So I don't have to write that. 0 with 0 is 0. Okay. So first row, sorry, second row, first column is done. Second row, first column is done. Now I'm going to do second row, second column. So sin x with minus sin y. Sin x sin y. Now cos x with cos y plus cos x with cos y. Now with this 0 with this 0. So I don't have to write that. This 0 with this 0 is 0. So that is not right, not being written here. Now sin x with 0, third column, second row, third column. So 0, cos x with 0. So again 0, and this 0 with 1, again 0. Simple. Okay. Now third row with all the columns. So 0 with, check here, 0 with this 0, 0. This 0 with this 0. 1 with this 0. Correct, right? 0 with cos, this 0 with cos y, 0, 0 with sin y, 0, 1 with 0 is 0. So this is my first element. 0 with minus sin y, 0, 0 with cos y, again 0, 1 with 0 is also 0. Please check here, 0 with 0 will be 0, 0 with 0 will be again 0, and 1 with 1 will be what, bacha? Plus 1. Okay. Now I'll simplify this. Please check. I'll use some formulas here. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Please see. Please understand this. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A plus B. Please check. Cos of A plus B. Yes or no, sir? Cos of A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin B. Okay. So x plus y can be written like this. Again same thing. If I take minus sign common, what is left now? If I take minus sign common, I can write minus here, common here, and plus sign. Minus is kept outside. Sin A cos B, sin B cos A. Please check. Sin A cos B, sin B cos A. Sin of A plus B. So sin of x plus y is what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Same thing written here. Cos x sin y, sin x cos y. So sin of x plus y. Minus sign is taken common. This is also minus, but I have taken it common. I can write it like this also. This is simply 0. So 0. Please check now. Same thing is here. Same thing is here. This part is same as the bracket inside. So I can write it as sin of x plus y. Please check. Sin x cos y, cos x sin y. Sin x cos y, cos x sin y. So same thing is there. So I have replaced same thing without the negative. There is no negative sign here. There is no minus sign here. So I have not written a minus sign. Okay. Now here, same thing. Check here. Cos x cos y, cos x cos y. Sin x sin y. Same thing. What is the value? Cos x plus y. Write it as cos of, what is this? 0 plus 0 plus 0. This is not 6. This is 0 only. So this will become what? 0. Check here. This is 0. This is 0. And this is 1. What is my answer? Cos x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0. Sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y. Check here. Cos x plus y minus sin x plus y 0. Cos x plus y, yes. Sin x plus y, cos x plus y 0. Sin y, cos x plus y 0 and 0, 0, 1. So what I proved? I proved this to be equal to what? F of x plus y, right? So this is what we have to prove, no? We have to prove that if you multiply fx and fy, you will reach this point. I got, this is my RHS. And this is my, check here. this is my LHS, okay? This is my LHS. Okay, I got LHS equals to RHS, so verified, simple. Have a look if it's visible, okay? Yes, yes, okay. Question number 8. So this was little calculative. Not all the questions will be like this, but I've taken all the categories, right? My point is to revise your concepts, okay? We cannot do all the questions that you have done in your regular classes in the revision session, right? So revision should be to the point. So if this question comes in the exam, it'll carry your maximum marks, okay? Because this is a big question. Multiplication of 3 cross 3 is there. Usually what happens, no, they will not give more than that. Only 3 cross 3 will be given. 2 cross 3, 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2 will be given for your multiplication. Because multiplication takes time, okay? It is, known to everyone, okay? Even teachers know this. So for that reason, they will not give you a lot of questions in this category. If you're not sure about the answer, if you can see that in the multiplication there are a lot of zeros, like in this case 0, 0 are there, no? Then you can attempt this first time only. Because you know the rule. What is the rule? Row to column. If there these many zeros are there, it means something will become 0, 0, 0. So it will make our work easier. But if you find lot of numbers are there, okay, then you're not sure that whether you're going to get it right or not, then don't waste time on this. Solve other questions, then come back, save time in those questions. What happens when you solve easy questions, when you solve the question that you are able to solve, you save time first of all. Second thing is you gain confidence. So because of that reason, what happens, when a confident person is attempting the same question, without any self-doubt, will be able to get this question right. This probability will increase to get this question right, okay? So make sure that you are solving all those questions that you know for sure that you can solve it, and come back and then solve other questions, okay? Chaliye. This problem, again multiplication is there, a square, then ka minus 2i, okay? Now you'll see the equations being formed with the help of matrices. So let's find a first. So they are saying that this condition is true. This condition is true. For this condition to be true, find the k value. Find the k value. So let's quickly find what first? Let's quickly find a square first. So what will my a square look like? Please check. A times a. What is my a times a? Please check. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Yes. Multiply here, bacha. 3 with 3. 9 minus 2 with 4, minus 8. 3 with minus 2, minus 6, minus 2 with minus 2, plus 4. Okay? First row, first column, first row, second column. Yes? 3 with 3, 9, minus 2 with 4 is minus 8. 3 with minus 2 is minus 6, minus 2 with minus 2 is plus 4. Now second one, 4 with 3, 12, minus 2 with 4, minus 8. 4 with minus 2, minus 8, and minus 2 with minus 2, plus 4. How much is this? Please check. 1 minus 2. 4 minus 4. Is it right? 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay. Yes, 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 2 and minus 4. Okay. This is my a square. They're saying this is equal to what? Ka minus 2i. So let's write it here. Ka minus 2i. So Ka minus 2i will look like what? I'll multiply k with what? Please check. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, minus 2 times of I. I is 1, 1, 0, 0. Why 2 cross 2, sir? Because to be able to solve this, subtraction and all, order has to be same, okay? Because this is C, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, they have already given here. Even if this is not given, no, you'll take it as 1, 0, 0, 1, okay? Why, sir? 2 cross 2 is the order, so the comparison will not happen, the difference will not happen if it is not of the same order, okay? Chaliye. Simplify this, what am I going to get? 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k, minus 2, 0, 0, 2. Do the subtraction, please. What I'm getting here, please check. I'm getting this as 3k minus 2, 3k minus 2, minus 2k simply minus 2k, 4k minus 0 is simply 4k, okay, and minus 2k minus 2, minus 2k minus 2. They're saying what is this equal to? K square, right? They're saying this is equal to k square. What is my k square value? What is my k square value? Check here. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. Okay, k square. What is this value? Please check. 3k minus 2 minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2. So compare this and this element. Minus 2 equals to minus 2k. What is k equals to? 1. K equals to 1 is my answer. K equals to 1 is my answer. check, check. If you want to check, you can check. Check here. 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Here 4 into 1, so 4. K is what? 1. So 2 minus 2 into 1 will be minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2 is minus 4. So it's valid for all the other values also. So K equal to 1 is your answer. Look at this. I hope this is visible. This also is visible. Yes, moving on. Chaliye. I hope you are able to recall all the concepts. That's my goal, bacha. Recall all concepts from the question point of view. Now coming to transposes. Okay, we have transpose of matrix also there. So A is given 3 cross 3 matrix like this. B is also 3 cross 3 matrix like this. You have to verify the statement. So I'll verify the first one. This one you can practice from your side. Practice and tell me you got the answer right. Okay, comment as got it right, sir. So comment got it right, sir. Got it right means GIR. Got it right, sir. Okay, chaliye. Let's do the A plus B first. Okay, we can do first transpose part. Let's do the transpose first. We'll do the RHS part first. Okay, we'll do the RHS part first. कर लेते हैं. A transpose will be what? Tell me. For A transpose, what will happen? I'll keep the diagonal same. How we take transpose, bachcha? For transpose, what we do? We keep the diagonal element same. We keep this element, we keep it as it is. Okay, and rest all is mirror image about the same diagonal. So 2 will be mirrored here, 5 will be mirrored there, 3 will be mirrored here, and minus 2 will go there, and 9 will be mirrored here, and 1 will go there. Okay, so keep the diagonal as it is. So all this will look like minus 1, 7, and 1. And check this mirror. 2 will come here, 5 will go up, 3 will come here, minus 2 will go up, 1 will go here, and 9 will come down here. This is my A transpose. Check here my B transpose also. B transpose will be what, bacha? Quickly. Minus 4, 2 will remain as it is. Minus 4, 2, 1 will remain as it is. 1 will come. This is 1 and 1, so no change anyway. Minus 5 and 1, so this will become 1. This will become minus 5. Okay. 3 will go there. 0 will come here. So 0 here and 3 here. Just interchange across. So take this as a mirror. Think of this as a mirror. Okay. And across mirror, take the mirror images. That is a transpose. Okay. Now do one thing. Find the RHS we are doing, right? We are doing what? RHS, right? RHS first. So add this. I'm looking to do what? A transpose plus B transpose. How many matrix? 3 cross 3. So minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. 1 plus 5 6. 1 plus minus 2 minus 1. Please check here. Okay. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus 1 3. 7 plus 2 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus minus 5 is minus 2. 9 plus 0 is simply 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is my RHS. A transpose, B transpose is what? Minus 5, 6, 1 like this. 3 cross 3 matrix is there. This is my answer. This is 9, okay? These two values are 9, okay? And this is my 4. Hope you are able to understand my handwriting. Okay, this is 9, this is 9. Alright, okay, simple. Now what do you have to do? Add A and B and then take transpose. Add A and B and take transpose. Okay, कर लेते हैं. Let's do it. So I have to write A and B first. So let's see here. What's the matrix A? Minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 and minus 2, 1, 1. Minus 2, 1, 1. Okay. Now what about B? B is nothing but minus 4, 1, 5. Minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0. Minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0. Okay. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. Okay. Minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. We have to add it first. So let's do this. A plus B first. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus minus 5 is minus 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Minus 2 plus minus 1 is minus 1. And 1 plus 3 is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 1 plus 1 is 2. What are this they are asking? Transpose of sum of the matrix. How will I transpose it? Keep this constant minus 5, 9, 2 as it is and take the mirror image. 3 will come here, 6 will go here, minus 2 will come here, minus 1 will go here. This will be 4, this will be 9. Is it the answer? Minus 5, 6, minus 1. minus 5 6 minus 1 3 9 4 3 9 4 and minus 2 9 2 minus 2 9 2, which is nothing but equal to, this was my what? This is my LHS coming equal to what? RHS. What I've done, I've verified it. Okay, correct na? We have to verify it. We have verified it. LHS equals to RHS. We have taken RHS first and we got it as LHS. So first one I've done. Hope this is visible. Solve this part. Solve the second one. Same thing, but instead of doing addition, do the subtraction. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, when doing subtraction, take care of the signs. Okay, minus and minus will become plus at times, so we take care of the signs. No problem. Now, question number 10. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB transpose is same as is equal to what? B transpose times A transpose. Means if I am taking product of AB and taking transpose, it will become what? B transpose times A transpose. Okay. So let's do one thing. This is 1. What is the order here? Please check. 1 cross 3, 3 cross 1. Can you multiply it? Yes, sir. 3 and 3 should be same, right? We can multiply it. 1 cross 3 and, okay, ulta I wrote, right? I wrote just opposite. Okay. This is what? 3 cross 1 and this is 1 cross 3. Means what is my resulting matrix? Check here. It will be 3 cross 3 matrix. One is same, but what is going to be result? 3 and 3. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So we can do AB first. Let's do the RHS part first. We'll do the RHS part first. What is going to be my B transpose? Tell me. My B transpose, sir. Quickly. B transpose, sir. Transpose also means that simply taking what? Make the row to column. Understand this concept part. Okay. Transpose. Or how can I do the transpose? I said mirror image about diagonals. Okay, basically how it is coming is make the rows to column or column to rows. Your choice. So whatever the rows are there, make it to column, or whatever the columns are there, make it to rows. Okay. So basically check here. B transpose means what? This is there. It's a row, right? I'm going to make it column matrix. It will become what? Minus 1, 2 and 1, right? Minus 1, 2 and this is 1, no? Please check. Minus 2, minus 1, 2 and 1. Minus 2, minus 1, 2 and 1. This is my B transpose. What is my A transpose? Please check A transpose. This will become what? 1 will remain here. 4 will go here, minus 4. And this will become 3. See here. So this was a row matrix becomes column matrix. Column matrix becomes row matrix. And what are they asking? Multiply this. RHS. They are asking us B transpose times A transpose. Now we'll check the order part again. What's the order of this? 3 cross 1. What's the order of this? What's the order of this? 1 cross 3. So again we'll get what? Or matrix of result what? 3 cross 1 and 1 cross 3. 1 and 1 is same, right? So what is going to be the resulting matrix? 3 cross 3. Check the multiplication, please. So check the multiplication. I'll multiply again, same concept. Rows to column. Minus 1 with 1. What is it? Minus 1 with 1 is? Again what? Next. Minus 1 with second column. Minus 4. My second element. Minus, okay, sorry, plus 4. Minus 1 with minus 4 will be plus 4. No, minus 1 plus minus 1 with minus 3. Sorry, plus 3. So simply 3. So first row multiplied with first column, first row multiplied with second column, first row with third column. I got the answer as minus 1 plus 4 and 3. Next we'll do for 2. So 2 with 1 will be simply 2. 2 with minus 4 will be simply minus 8. 2 with 3 will be 6. 2 with 3 will be 6. Again same will do with 1. So remain as it is. 1 minus 4 and 3. 1 minus 4 and 3. Okay. This is my B transpose times A transpose. Yes or no? Yes. RHS is this. I have to find out LHS now. What is LHS? Multiply first AB and then get me the transpose. Okay. Let's check here. I'm looking for what? AB now. Looking for this. This is my LHS. Okay. So let me write A and B first here. What was A? A was 1 minus 4, 3. A was 1 minus 4 and 3. What was B, bacha? B was, please check. B was minus 1, 2, 1. B was minus 1, 2, 1. Minus 1, 2, 1. Okay, no problem. Simple. Alright. Multiply this. Again I can do this. 3 cross 1 and 1 cross 3. Possible. Resulting matrix will be again what? 3 cross 3 only. 3 cross 3 only. Okay. Let's do the multiplication first. So first we'll find AB bacha. We'll find first AB. Okay. First element 1 with minus 1. So minus 1. 1 with 2. So 2. 1 with 1. So 1. Minus 4 with minus 1. So plus 4. Minus 4 with 2. So minus 8. Minus 4 with 1. So minus 4. Again 3 with minus 1. Minus 3. 3 with 2. So 6. And 3 with 1. So 3. Okay. What we're looking for? Transpose of AB. So take AB and what are you going to do? Keep the diagonal as it is and take the mirror image. So minus 1, minus 8 and 3 and mirror image of all the rest elements. So 2 will come here, 4 will go here, 1 will come here, minus 3 will go here, minus 4 will come here and 6 will go here. Please check. This is my LHS. Minus 1, 4, minus 3, minus 1, 4, minus, okay, minus 1, 4 is coming as minus 3. Why is coming as minus 3? Okay, alright. 3 with minus 1 is minus 3 only, right? Did I miss something? Please check. Did I do multiplication? Okay, minus 1 with 3 will be what, bacha? Minus 3 only. Sorry, forgive me. This minus 1, if you multiply first row with column 1, I think you already noticed, right? My mistake. Minus 1 with 3 will be what? Minus 3. Okay. Now check here. Minus 1, 4, minus 3. Minus 1, 4, minus 3. Okay. 2 minus 8, 6. 2 minus 8, 6. 1 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 4, 3. So this is simply what equal to RHS. What is it? Verified, sir. Check here. We have to verify this statement. We have verified it. Okay. Steps are very, very simple. What was the condition? First, you find the transpose. What's the transpose? Usually, so actually what we get, no, that we find that we keep the diagonal as it is, and rest all what we do is take the mirror image. That comes from which concept? This concept only. The row becomes column or column becomes row. Okay. So we did that. We got the transpose value. Did the multiplication of the matrix, and again over here did the multiplication first and then took the transpose. So actually what happens? This is a very standard result. You can use it anywhere. Okay. AB transpose equals to B transpose times A transpose. Moving on. Visible. This is also visible. Okay. If A and B are invertible matrices of same order, then so that AB transpose AB inverse is equals to B inverse A inverse. Okay. Before moving on, some concept let me give you. Okay. Some formulas actually. So formula for A inverse is what? Adjoint. Okay. That will come in matrices, right? Sorry, determinant, right? Forgive me. But since I've written it here, okay, and anyways the portion is there, so I will write here the formula. But again, please don't mind, this will come in what chapter? Determinant chapter. It will be part of determinant chapter. Okay. If you want to know it, this is the formula for inverse, right? But right now, we know one thing about inverse. What is this one thing? That if I'm writing x inverse times x, okay, or I'm writing x times x inverse, how much is that? Simply identity matrix. Okay, simply identity matrix of the same order. So if I take x equals to what? AB. If I take x equals to AB, then look at this. X times of x inverse will be what? I. Yes or no? From here only. That's the definition. X inverse of x will is or x equals to x of x inverse equals to what? I. Same thing I've written here. A matrix multiplied to its inverse will be equal to what? Identity matrix. So x times of x inverse is I. Okay. Now write this x value. So x is what? AB multiplied with what is it? AB inverse. Okay. AB inverse is equal to what? I. Now do one thing. Multiply A inverse to both sides. Multiply A inverse to both sides. Take this and multiply both sides with A inverse. Okay. If I do that, what am I going to get? A inverse of A, B and AB inverse equals to what? A inverse of I. I multiplied A inverse on all sides. Now please here, look at this. If you club them together, A inverse of A will be simply what? You can write it as I or don't write it also. So I'll get what? B, A, B inverse. Yes or no? Yes. And this I can write it as simply A inverse. Because once the matrix is present, I don't have to write this I, no? Because I is simply 1 and 0. So now anything multiplied with I will be itself only. So it is going to be A inverse. Same thing goes here. A inverse times A is I. I don't have to write the I. Okay. Now what you do? Multiply this thing with B inverse. Multiply this thing with B inverse. What are you going to get? Check here. B inverse of B, AB inverse is equal to what? B inverse, A inverse. I'm multiplying B inverse on both sides, right? So this will come here with B inverse. What's this going to be? Again, I don't have to write the I, so simply what I'll be left with, AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Isn't this the answer? Please check. Please check. Okay. So what was they asking, bacha? They gave two matrices of, again, invertible means same order, square matrix. Okay. That is conditional. Okay. This has to be there. Okay. Now this is the definition of invertible matrix. Means inverse multiplied to itself, or a number multiplied to, sorry, a matrix multiplied to inverse will give me identity matrix. From there I took X as AB. I got I wrote the definition, X inverse equals to I, identity matrix. From there I multiplied, I put the value of X as AB. I multiplied A inverse first. I got rid of A inverse A, which came as I removed that I part also. Then I multiplied with B inverse. I got rid of B inverse B also. And why I did this? Because I wanted A inverse B inverse on the right hand side. RHS was only I. So I wanted first A inverse. So I took A inverse. I wanted B inverse next. So I took what? B inverse next. My answer is coming as what they were asking. Okay. Simple problem. Smart question but simple problem. Okay. Question number 12. Okay. Optional question. This is very, very simple. Definition based. If you know the definition, you know the answer. Asking for scalar matrix. Asking for scalar matrix. When can I say matrix is scalar? If the diagonals are constant and other are all 0. How can this be constant when this is 4? Okay. So x plus 2 has to be equal to what, bacha? 4, x equals to 2. What about this? Y minus 3 has to be equal to 0, y equal to 3. Answer is 2, 3. Any other option? No, sir. That's the answer. C1. Scalar matrix means what? What's the meaning of this? Some k, 0, 0, sorry, and k. So only diagonal has to be a value, a constant value, other are all 0. Scalar matrix. Okay. So you can call all identity matrix are scalar matrix, but all scalar matrix are not identity matrix, because 3003 is also a scalar matrix, but 3003 is not a identity matrix. So all identity matrix are scalar matrix. Chaliye. Next problem. A equals to cos alpha minus sin alpha. They are asking that they have given a condition. They have given this condition that A added with A transpose gives me identity. Find the alpha. So quickly find A transpose first. A transpose will be what? So cos alpha will remain as it is. This also will remain as it is. Transpose means I'll keep the diagonal as it is. Transpose means diagonal ko aise rakh lo. Keep the sin alpha here. Okay, and this sin alpha up here. Okay, this comes down, this goes up. Now they are saying what? Add with A. So A plus A transpose. Please check here what is A plus A transpose. They said this is I. What is A plus A transpose? Cos alpha plus cos alpha. 2 cos alpha. Minus sin alpha plus sin alpha. So 0. Sin alpha plus minus sin alpha. So 0. And cos alpha plus cos alpha. Again 2 cos alpha. Okay, this is my addition. What is this? What is this equal to? Identity means 1, 0, 0, 1. Compare it please. I get 2 cos alpha equals to 1. I get 2 cos alpha equals to 1. Very simple question. So I get what? Cos alpha equals to 1 by 2. When is cos 1 by 2? When is cos 1 by 2? At pi by 6. So it means that alpha equals to pi by 3. I mean not pi by 6, at pi by 3. 60 degrees, right? So cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. So that's 60 degrees, nothing but pi by 3. Option number D. Option number D is the correct answer. Yes? Okay. Moving on. If A is given like cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify A transpose times A is identity. Okay. कर लेते हैं. So I will verify this part. This you will practice from your side. This for practice. Practice. And what are you gonna comment? I got it right, sir. Or got it right. GIR. Comment is. What's the comment? GIR. Got it right, sir. What is it? Got it right, sir. This is your comment. If you got this right, question number 14 right here. Question 14, GIR, sir. If you got it right, second part, give me this answer. Okay. Let me find the transpose first. What's the transpose, bacha? Cos and cos will remain as it is. Okay. Now this will become what? Sign here positive, and this will become what? Negative sign. They are saying multiply this with this. So write it here. A transpose as A. Okay, so what is A transpose going to be? This part have to be written as same thing. Let me write it here also. Okay, I should have written here only then. Okay, this is A transpose. What is A? A, I'll write it again here for the multiplication. So cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Okay, so what is this? Please check. This is a transpose. Same thing written here. Cos minus sin, sin cos. Okay, I'm erasing this part. I don't need this. I've already written this A transpose here. Okay, okay. Now multiply this. Cos with cos. So cos square alpha. Cos with minus sin. So minus. One second. They are asking us A transpose times A. Okay, so cos with cos is cos square alpha, minus sin with minus sin is minus sin square alpha. Okay, next what? Cos square alpha with cos with sin alpha. How much is that going to be? Cos alpha sin alpha. Okay, this will be what? Again minus sin with this thing. So minus sin alpha cos alpha. Am I right? What about this? Sin alpha with cos alpha sin alpha. Okay, correct, right? Okay, so cos alpha with cos alpha is cos square alpha, minus sin alpha with sin alpha is plus sin square alpha. Same way, cos alpha with sin alpha is plus cos sin alpha, and minus sin alpha with cos alpha is minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, this was plus, not negative. I'm going to do again here this thing. Okay, there's a minus sign here, so it was not visible, that's why I wrote it like this. So sin alpha with cos alpha, I'll get again what? Sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, now cos alpha with this I'll get what? Minus sin alpha and cos alpha with the minus sign. Okay, now sin alpha with sin alpha will be what, bacha? Sin square alpha, and this cos alpha with cos alpha will be what, bacha? Plus cos square alpha. Okay, now check here, please check here. What is this coming as? Please check here. I can write it over here only. Cos square plus sin square. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha getting cancelled, so 0. Yes, what about this sin alpha cos alpha? Again getting cancelled, so 0. What about this sin square alpha plus cos square alpha? 1 from the identity. So I proved it to be equal to what? I2 only, right? I2, identity matrix of order 2. We have to verify this. We got it right. Okay, so first one is done. All right, this is transpose times of the matrix A. Okay, simple. I hope this is visible. Second one, please solve it. Please solve the second one. Question number 15. For matrix A, verify that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Okay, acha. I hope you know this. For any given matrix A, right, if I have to write in the form of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Okay, how I write this? 1 by 2 times of A plus A transpose and 1 by 2 times of A minus A transpose. This is one important formula. Please know this. Okay. Okay. Achha, one more thing. When can I call a matrix to be symmetric? Okay. Symmetric matrix. Whenever in the matrix, what happens is, I have, let's say, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Achha, one more thing. All these properties are valid for square matrix. Okay. All these properties are valid for square matrix. Let me write the numbers only. Okay. So let's say I have 1, 3, 5. This is what? 6. Then this is 6. This is 5. Then this is 5. This is 13. Then this is 13. Means whenever you have this upper triangular part same as lower triangular part. Okay. Whenever this is symmetric, 6 to 6, 5 to 5, 13 to 13. Whenever this happens, basically, whenever Aij equals to Aji. What's the meaning of this? Please check. What is the number of this? What is the number of this? A21. What is this? A21. Now what is this? A12. Please check. Please check. Just a revision for skew-symmetric matrix. Whenever this is A21, this is what? This is A12. So whenever Aij equals to Aji, okay, Aji, then we can call this as symmetric matrix. So Aij equals to AJI. Aij equals to AJI. Okay. When that happens, then I can call the matrix to be symmetric. What is Aij and AJI? The element of the matrix. The element of the matrix. And always has to be what? A square matrix only. This property is valid only for square matrix. Okay. Aij equals to AJI. Okay. This is the condition for symmetric matrix. What about skew-symmetric matrix? What about skew-symmetric matrix? For this, what should happen? The condition is Aij should be equal to minus Ai, Aji. Aij should be equal to minus Aji. Okay. So if you see, again, this is for what type of matrix? Square matrix only. Only for square matrix. Property are valid only for square matrix. Aij equals to Aji means, if you see the diagonal element, which will be what? A11 will be equal to what, bacha? Minus A11. Why, sir? Because for the diagonal element, what happens? 1 and 1 is same, right? This A11, this is A22, this is A33. So I and j becomes equal for the diagonal element, correct? A11, A22, A33, and keep going on like this. So for the diagonal element, we'll have A11 equal to minus of A11. Why? The property is this. Aij equals to minus Aji. I is 1, j is 1, j. Okay. So for that reason, what will happen? Bring it here. 2A11 equal to 0. Bring it here. 2A11 equal to 0. So what is A11 equal to? 0. So in the case of skew-symmetric matrix, what will happen? The diagonal will be 0, bachcha. The diagonal will be 0. Diagonal will be 0. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, this was the revision. Symmetric matrix, skew-symmetric matrix, properties. When can I call this? Aij equals to Aji. And what about these elements? If this is 1, this will be minus 1. This is 2, then this will be minus 2. Okay. This is 15, then or 5 will be, so minus 15. If this is 15, so whatever is there, sign will be different. Okay. We'll see here, because the property will remain same. This is the definition. Aij equals to Aji, negative of this, and for here Aij equals to Aji. Okay. So for this, what happens? Diagonal is always 0. For this, we'll have upper triangle and lower triangle to be same. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Question. So we have to prove that if this is A, take A and A transpose sum and prove it is coming as symmetric. Let's do it. So let's find the A transpose first. What is A transpose going to be? So I'll keep 1 and 7 as it is, because diagonal element, and 5 will come here and 6 will go up. Correct, right? Transpose, no? So 5 will come down and 6 will go up. Okay, sir? Yes, see, row becomes column, column becomes row. 1, 5 was row, becomes column, 6, 7 was row, becomes column again. Yes? Okay, what are they asking? A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose, bacha. So add this. I hope you are getting these things. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. 6 plus 5 will be what, bacha? 11. And 5 plus 6 will be what? Again 11. 7 plus 7 will be 14. Please check. Please check. No? Please check. Here. 1. What is it? This 1 plus this 1 is 2. This 6 plus this 5 is 11. This 5 plus this 6 is 11. Because what we are doing? We are adding A with A transpose, right? So 2, 11, 11, 4. Isn't it symmetric? Please check. Symmetric or not? Yes, sir, right? Symmetric only, no? How, sir? See, A11, so this will be a diagonal only. This and this are mirror image to each other, right? So symmetric, right? Okay. What about second case? This will be A minus A. This will be A minus A transpose. So let's do it. So if I do that, so I'll get what? 1 minus 1 will be what, bacha? 0. 5 minus 6 will be what, bacha? Minus 1. Okay. And what is this? 7 minus 7 will be 0 again. And what is this? 6 minus 5 will be 1. Yes, no? Diagonal is 0 and these are opposite in sign. So yes, this is what? Skew-symmetric matrix. Understand this, please? Diagonals are 0 and other elements are negative of each other. So skew-symmetric, we have proved it. Both the conditions are true, sir. Okay. So this was it for your matrix revision. I hope I was able to complete all of your topics, all of your doubts. If you think that something is left out, comment below, but I think I've covered everything. I think wherever, through the question only, I've covered all the concepts. So simple chapter. Make sure that you solve all the questions. If you have more questions, if you're not able to solve these questions, first solve example of NCERT, okay? Solve those questions, then come back and solve these questions, no problem. But if you are confident from here, I think you should be, because matrix is not that difficult, okay? So if you are able to complete this revision from here, complete it from here. You don't have time to come back and watch the video again, or come back and watch it in next day or something. So if you are watching the video, complete the question, complete your revision, and make a tick for your chapter matrices. Okay, I will again come for the next session for the revision, and which will be taking our other chapter. So I am doing one short revision for every chapter. So I am going to do for another chapter in the coming session. So I hope all of you are doing good. Keep working hard. All the best, okay, for your midterms. Keep preparing. Maintain your health. Okay, do not sleep well. Maintain that make sure that you are having good sleep. Eat good food. Okay, keep yourself healthy, because the weather right now is, little like this in this month. Weather is coming very hot at times, very cool at times. So a lot of changes are during the day. So keep yourself healthy. You can't get sick. Okay, you have exams in the coming week, or this week also it might start. So for different schools. So make sure that you are healthy, studying, and keep solving all the questions. Okay, especially in mathematics, it's a problematic chapter, right? Its subject is problematic. You have to keep solving questions only to learn it. There's no other way around. So with this, I'd like to conclude the session and see you in the next session. Keep working hard with positivity around. See you in the next session. For now, take care. Bye-bye.